Hey there. I'm Veronica, juggling life as a busy mum and dashing to my part-time gig at Macca's. From the adventures of unclogging toilets to braving those shiver-inducing cold showers, you name it, I've probably faced it. But Whywait plumbing has been my go-to hero, swooping in to save the day, every single time. Imagine waking up one June morning to a shower that was unbelievably cold, colder than my ex's heart, if you can believe it. Suddenly, I didn't even need my morning coffee. Enter Whywait, my midday heroes, swooping in to fix the hot water, saving my kids from becoming little ice sculptures. They're like the superheroes we never knew we needed, always just a phone call away, and never a disappointment, quite the opposite of my ex. Step into the enchanting world of Whywait, the unsung heroes of the Gold Coast's plumbing scene. For a magical 47 years, they've been transforming plumbing nightmares into tales of triumph. They're not just experts, they're the stuff of legends, wielding their tools like wands to dispel the chaos. Always just a call away, Whywait makes your plumbing woes vanish into thin air.